2078 Waverly. We're very familiar with this neighborhood. We definitely want a one-time landscape cleanup. That's something that we do on pretty much all of the properties, especially when you have trees like this. Definitely need to clean this up. Maybe paint the front door. I'm gonna say the property could use 100% repaint. Downstairs isn't so bad, so maybe Jenny can say, 80% or something, but when you get to that point, you almost might as well do the whole thing. So we have earthquake straps. We need to remove the water softener. I didn't see a pan for the water softener. For the water heater, but that's not really something you want to add when it's older. So we probably want to patch up that hole in the closet that I just showed you. So it just adds some drywall, not a big deal at all. Undermount sink. Light fixture isn't showing any rust or anything. So downstairs we have raised panel doors, which is nice. These blinds are a little dirty. Jenny's call on whether they should be cleaned or replaced. We already have a space saver microwave in place, which is great. We have another property that's almost this exact same floor plan. So you can see there's a doggy door there, upgraded light fixture. We already have the 2.5 inch forward blinds. That fan does not match the other light fixture, but I don't know if Jenny will mind. This is a nice backyard. You already have the concrete in place. You have some flagstone pavers to take you over to the fake grass, which we love. Very low maintenance yard, although it's really pretty. We have the patio overhang to protect you from some of the sun, and a doggy area over here. Maybe you want to add a fence or something to protect the AC from dog urine. So we have the tile on the cabinets, which I think gives a little bit of an upgraded feel, which is my personal opinion. Okay, now we have laminate. When we start moving up the stairs, I'll say I don't think the repaint is optional, which is fine. Then we'll have the right colors and a fresh feel. I think we also need handrails because the stairs bend. I would say probably 2 handrails. So the fan and the lights work. We have 2.5 inch forward blinds. The flooring is good. It's DIY baseboards. We have the closet rods going all the way across. I'm very curious about Jenny's opinion on the baseboards. We need to get some closet doors here. We have kind of an older style, cheaper looking fan, but I think we need to replace that blind. It's yellow from the sun. But we'll see what Jenny says. Closet rods all over there. We have storage. So we have flat panel doors upstairs. It's not preferred, but then you come in here and you have all of this additional tile, and you have an upgraded countertop, and then you have the tile carried on through the shower. So that's a nice touch. We have brass or gold, whatever you want to call that, door handles. The light fixture is silver, and I'm not seeing a lot of rust on it, so it can probably stay. Washer and dryer are in place right now. It's really dirty in here, so it needs a very good janitorial. And this bathroom, we need to do some recaulking, very simple, very inexpensive, and it gives a much cleaner, newer feel. This is just dirty, but if we repaint this and get a good janitorial, that should be fine. It's definitely an older style Corian counter. This mirror, I'm not so sure about. Jenny will have to see that in person and give her opinion. But yeah. that's the property. Oh, and Honeywell thermostats, so we don't have to change those out.